How to install AudioGen plugin in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Go to your browser and type modelslab.com/plugins, then click on AudioGen tab. And find AudioGen for DaVinci Studio. Click Download Plugin. Now go to the Downloads folder and double-click on AudioGen setup file to install the plugin. Once your installation is finished, open DaVinci Resolve Studio. Open any project and go to Workspace, then Workflow Integration, and then AudioGen. A pop-up window will be opened. Go to Preferences in that window and enter your token key. If you don't have the key, click Manage Subscription. It will redirect you to ModelsLab subscription plan page where you can select any plan according to your requirement. Once you have purchased the plan, a key will be assigned to you. You can find on the dashboard of ModelsLab website, copy that key and paste it here, and click Save. This is one-time hustle. Now go to Text-to-Speech tab and type your prompt. Select parameter and speaker voice according to your requirement and click Generate. Let's check it out.
Hi, hello, how are you? Hi, hello, how are
Isn't that perfect? Click on Add to add it to your timeline. We have two other tabs also. In voice cloning, you can clone your voice into any person's voice. Just input your audio and a target audio. Then we have Melody Clone, where you can change the vocal audio of any song. That's it, folks. Keep prompting.
AI plugins by ModelsLab.